Service CEO's mobile tech module allows you to let your employees have real-time access to data right in the palm of their hands. Here you will see is a login screen, and I want you to pay careful attention to the fact that this is a real-time application that allows your users to come right in and have access to the information from the database just like they were back office users right in the palm of their hand. Now, we've made this module an internet web browser enabled application, meaning that any device that has web or WAP browser capabilities will have the capability to run this application, whether that be BlackBerries, PDAs, browser as you're seeing here. And I've kept it kind of down to a small screen size to display what it would look and act and behave like in a PDA situation. Here I'm also bringing up the backend application just so you can get an idea. This is Eric's jobs for the day, and I had just signed in as Eric, so I'm literally getting the same thing. Here's my route sheet telling me what jobs I need to do for the day. Now, as Eric out in the field, I no longer have to drive in to pick up my work orders. I've got my work orders in real live time right in the palm of my hands. Now let's go into one of these jobs and show you the capabilities of what kind of information you can update all along the way. Now you can see that we've got some symbols in the back end. Those are Service CEO job statuses that allow the technician or anyone to kind of give a designation of what's going on. In this case, he's on route. Maybe now he's actually got on site. He can come in and change it and just save it. And this is going to update the back end in real time. So now we can see as a dispatcher, oh, Eric is now on site. Have the capability to come in and change, add crew members right in through the employee screen, drill in and see the charges that are on it, plus add any charges that you want as simply as just adding a new product or service right here. Also have the capability to accept payments right there on site. So if the customer has given us a check, we can come in and put that information in right here on the fly in the palm of the hands. Check 234, maybe no tip, save and close. We've just added now that payment, and you can see that we've actually closed out the invoice as well. Let the people in the back end not have to deal with sorting through the checks and sorting through work hours and sorting through all the information that he's just got chicken scratched on a piece of paper. You can even get information like on equipment that this customer has on site. So if you're an equipment maintainer kind of company, they'll have the full history right in the palm of their hands for all the information that they've done, when it was done, so forth and so on. Also have the capability to check and see the service contracts that this customer has. So if they're on site and they need to know whether they need to charge the customer or if it's covered, they can now come in. So here you can see we've got two service contracts with this Red Dog Cafe customer, one for emergency preferred contract, another that's an AC maintenance contract. Get any details, once again you can just drill in and all that information is available to you, plus full service history, what's been banked against it, literally all in the palm of your guys' hands. So as you can see, this is an extremely powerful device to take your business to the next level, to allow you to save time on drive time by not having to come into the office to pick up their work orders in the first place, and B, just reduce the data entry task load for your back office people while also making sure that the correct information is updated right from the guys on site at the time that they're doing it. Service CEO's mobile tech module, a very powerful feature of a Service CEO run company.